Hi friends, a warm welcome to Tanushri's reading room. Enjoying tenses and sentences continues, and today I am there with lesson 3, present continuous tense. He is getting ready for his office. Is getting. Is present tense. That is a component of the be verb. As I have already stated in my tenses chapters, am, is, was, are, were are the 5 components of be verb. Getting is the ing form of the verb get, and together they make up present continuous tense. She is investing a lot of time in her studies. Is again a component of be verb and it is in the present tense. Investing is the ing form of the verb invest, and it is combining with is and giving us present continuous tense. I am designing a new dress for my best friend. Am designing. Am is again a component of the verb be. Designing is the ing form of the verb design, and together they are giving us present continuous tense. He is printing the travel guide. Is again a component of the be verb. It is in the present tense. Printing is the ing form of the verb print, and together they are giving the combination of present continuous tense. He is composing a song for his new film. Is composing. Is a verb in present tense. Composing is the ing form of the verb compose, and together they are giving present continuous tense. I am looking for a new house. Am looking. Am is a component of be verb. It is in the present tense, and looking is the ing form of the verb look. He is repairing his car. Is in present tense, and repairing is the ing form of the verb repair, and together they are giving present continuous tense. I am planning to buy a new car. Am is the component of be verb. It is in the present tense. Planning is the ing form of the verb plan, and together they are giving present continuous tense. He is looking very tired. Is looking. Is the component of be verb in present tense. Looking is ing form of look, and together they are giving us the present continuous tense. They are packing their bags. Are is again a be verb, and it is in the present tense, and packing is the ing form of the verb pack. Together they are giving us present continuous tense. So friends, I think these examples are quite easy to grasp and quite easy to understand. If not, if you are feeling any problem, if you are facing any difficulty, if you want me to detail them out, if you want further discussions, further clarifications, further elaborations, please do let me know in the comments section, in the comments boxes. And friends, if you are facing any problem with the basics of this chapter, please go to my YouTube channel Tanushri's Reading Room, and please pick up the playlist Enjoying Tenses, and where you will find present continuous tense separately discussed, but in a shorter and in a crisp in a more crisp way, so that you can grasp it in a few minutes. And friends, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to Tanushri's Reading Room by typing Tanushri's Reading Room in the YouTube search bar, and check out my daily updates. Give me your valuable suggestions, give me your valuable feedback, let me know how I can improve my lessons, and please let me know what other areas you want me to discuss, what other lessons you want me to prepare for you, in what other areas you want me to give more attention, and what are the areas you want me to devote more lessons into. So friends, getting into a habit like this is really amazing, and it is going to help you a lot, because these lessons are not only for people or friends who don't know English. They are for all kinds of friends of mine, whether they are from any medium, whether they have forgotten, or whether they want to stay in touch with these things, whether they want these stuffs to be recapitulated to work to use in their workspaces, in their study places, or for friends who stay at home, or for friends who are elderly. Everybody can make use of these lessons. The only thing that is needed is a little bit of confidence, a little bit of motivation, a little bit of determination, and a little bit of time from you. So friends, just investing a little bit of time can do miracles both to you and me. So, what are you waiting for? Start it today itself, and subscribe to Tanushree Reading Room now itself, and let me know how you are experiencing my lessons and how they are helping you, or whether they are creating any problems, whether they are not up to the mark, not up to your expectations. Give me your suggestions, and I'm always there to help you. So friends, take care, stay happy, always feel positive, and think yourself to be the best. You are the best, and you can give the best to others. And what else? See you in my next lesson with something new. Till then, go through my lessons, subscribe to Tanushree's Reading Room, and stay happy. Bye.